He said in the car as we were driving to the bar, you know you could have anybody, but I know he's a liar, 'cause the one that I desire doesn't seem to want me. He's headed overseas to someone who just might please his troubled heart. But my mind can't ignore that the one he wanted more doesn't even know where to start. And he wouldn't kiss my face when we wake up after making a mistake. I know I messed it up. I can't let it go, can't let it go, can't let it go. Will he ever know? Honesty is key, but when you mix reality with a broken heart, how will you ever know how to let that person go when you can't even start to rub away their face from your memory? Can you let it go? Can you let it be? Let it be, let it be, let it be. Oh, will he ever see? And he wouldn't kiss my face when we wake up after making a mistake. I know I messed it up. I can't let it go, can't let it go, can't let it go. Will he ever know? And here we go again, things stop making sense. He's running for the door and I'm just wanting more. Oh, oh, no. He said no. I headed overseas to see if I could please my troubled heart. But when I think of you, there's nothing I can do while we're apart.